Impact of file upload vulnerability. So what are the impacts due to file upload vulnerability exploitation? One is first DOS attack, upload very large file. So impact of the malicious file upload generally depends on the restrictions imposed by the web application, right? So here there are primarily three impacts. One is DOS attack. If the attacker is able to upload very large file, say for example, more than 1 GB, right? Then consumes resources like bandwidth, disk storage, and may lead to DOS attack as server cannot allocate any more resources to the authentic request. Of course, that depends on the size it can hold. But as long as attacker able to upload more than the size what it is allocated, then actually it is deny the service request to the authentic users or genuine request. So this is how actually you will exploit and make it DOS attack. Right? The second one is compromise the server. In this case, the attacker may upload web shell which opens command prompt to access the compromised server. Web shell means that it is a malicious script, right? To execute arbitrary commands or any system commands on a web server sent through HTTP requests. Third thing is overwrite critical files. The attacker can overwrite critical files by uploading a file with the same name. That's a simple example. So this is how we can create an impact. So to prevent this dangerous vulnerability exploitation, so we should come up with the safety measures and so that we can prevent it. So that we discuss next slide.